Hi guys, welcome to the project. In this video, we'll be implementing another amazing project with the help of machine learning called loan status prediction. So here we'll be using one amazing data, and this data is available over the Kaggle. So let me show you the data, guys. So this is the data we'll be using. So you can download from the Kaggle website. You can simply search for loan prediction, okay, and you will be getting the data, and from there you can download this particular data set. So I already downloaded the data. Now what I will do, guys, so here, this is the workflow of the project. First of all, we'll be getting the loan data. After that, we'll be performing some pre-processing step. Then we'll be doing dent split operation. And here we'll be training one machine learning model called support vector machine. And using the trained model, we'll be giving the new data. And this will predict whether this loan has been approved or rejected. Okay. So guys, you can see this data is having different features like loan ID, gender, married, dependents, okay, educations. So based on that, you have to predict whether this person will be getting the loan or not. Okay. This loan would be accepted or not. See, you can see different columns are there. So I'll show you whenever I will import the data in my Google Colab. That time I'll show you. So first of all, let me open up my Google Colab. So search for collab.research.google.com and create a new notebook here. Now I'm going to name it as loan status prediction, and let's connect the notebook. And what I will do, I will also upload the data. So I already downloaded the data, so let me upload it uh, here. So upload. So this is the data, I'm going to upload it here. So guys, as you can see, everything is connected. Now first of all, let me unzip the data. So for this, you can execute this command called unzip. And as I already showed you the flow, okay, flow of the project, like how we are going to develop the project. Previously we also implemented some of the project, so that's why I will go a little bit fast, because you know like what to do, okay, at the end. So now let me unzip. Okay, it's not working because you have to rename the file. Let's rename it to archive.zip only. Now it should work. Let's copy and give the path, and let's unzip. Done. Now if I refresh, so you can see guys, this is the data. Okay, so again you can rename it because the name is not good, so I can give, let's say, train.csv only. That is fine. So first of all, I have to import some necessary library, so let me import all of them. So these are the library I need, guys, so let me import. Then I will load the data. So let's load the data. So for this we'll be using pandas. So pd.read csv. Said that I'm going to pass my data location. Now let's load the data. Now if you want to see the shape of the data, so you can see here we have 614 example and 13 columns. And if you want to see the data, dot head. So you can see guys, this is the entire data. So here we have loan ID, gender, married, dependents, education, self-employed, okay, application, income. Then you can see loan amount. Based on that you have to predict loan status. Yes means this loan has been accepted, no means it is not accepted. Okay, so here we need to do some pre-processing step, because you can see some of the columns are category. You also need to convert them to the numbers. Okay, I'll show you okay how to do it. And if you want to see the like statistical analysis of the data, you can apply the describe function. So this is the entire statistical analysis, like count, then mean, standard deviation, minimum number, maximum number, and so on. So let's see first of all whether any missing value are there or not. So you can see guys, this data is having some missing value, like gender having missing value, depends having missing value, loan amount having also missing value, okay, credit history also having missing value. So let's try to handle all of them. So what I will do, I will drop all the missing value, okay, because here we have less amount of missing value. I can drop all of them. Then if I again show you, See, there is no missing value right now in the data. Okay. Now what I will do, guys, I will try to replace our loan status with 0 and 1, because if you see, it is yes and no. Okay, y and n. So I don't need to take the like categorical, you can say, text. So what I will do, yes, I will let's say represent with 1, and no, I will represent with 0. So how to do it? So here let's perform the operation. So here you can see, guys, I'm replacing the loan status no with 0 and yes with 1, and place is equal to 2. I want to do it permanently. Now if I show you, it's done. So see, now my updated data, see, it has become 0 and 1. Okay. Now if I show you the value count of dependents column, because it's a category, so it is having actually different category. Let me show you. See, it is having dependent 0, 2, 1 and 3 plus. Okay. So dependent means like this person actually depends on like that many of people. Okay, I hope you got it. So here we have one like data called 3 plus. So this is become actually categorical data, but these are the numerical data. So what I have to do, I have to handle it also. So what I will do, this 3 plus I'll represent with 4. Okay, so wherever it will have the 3 plus, it will replace with 4. So for this you can execute this line of code. So it will replace the 3 plus with the 4 value. Now if I again to the value count, you will see that all the 3 plus has become 4 right now. Okay, now see, this is the completely integer data right now. I can use it. Now let's do some data visualization. That means we'll be performing some EDA. So first of all, let me plot this counter plot. So here I'm plotting this education with loan status. I want to see like if the person is educated, whether there is a possibility to accept the loan or not. Now see, this is the graph I got, guys. You can see this yellow is accepted and 0 means this is not accepted. And you can see most of the graduate got actually loan. Okay, you can see status is high here. And there, if they're not graduate, okay, there is a very less possibility they will be getting the loan. So again, you can get some insight from the data. So now let's plot another graph like married and loan status. I want to see whether married person is getting loan or not. So guys, you can see married person is getting a loan. Okay, so they are getting more loan than the unmarried person. Now what I will do, I think you saw in the data we have lots of this one categorical column. So we'll make them to the number representation. So let me show you. So you can see like gender, then married. So these are the thing I have to convert it to the number. So I have already written a code. So see, this one will convert all of the category to the number. Like married, no means 0, yes means 1. So okay, gender, 1 means male, 0 means female. Okay, that's how I have written a dictionary, and in the dictionary I have mapped all the value. Now if I apply, so all the like say data has become the number right now. So let me show you. Status dot hit. See, now everything is number. So I need to drop this loan ID because it is not required. Okay, apart from that, everything is fine. Now let me separate out my x and y. So here I'm separating out my x and y, and I'm dropping the loan ID and loan status because this is my x variable. Now if I show you my x, now see, this is my input features. Okay, and if I show you the y, this is my output features. Okay, now what I will do, we'll perform the tent split operation. So let's do it. Here I'm keeping only 10% data for the testing and rest of the data for the training. Now if I want to show you the shape, you can see this is the original shape, and after training, this is the example, and this is the testing example. Now let's initialize our support vector machine classifier. So again I'm using kernel is equal to linear. Now we'll try to train the data. So guys, you can see my model got trained. Now what I will do, I will show the evaluation scores. So first of all, let's see my training accuracy. I'll pass my training data. So this is the training accuracy I got, and if I show you the testing accuracy right now, so you can see this is the testing accuracy. So it is good. 83% I'm getting. So now what you can do, you can do the prediction, and this part I will leave it to you because I showed you multiple time how to do the single level prediction and how to write that condition. So this should be one task guys from my side. Just try to write the prediction code from your side. So yes guys, this is the project we have developed. Now if you want to convert as end-to-end, I already shared you the end-to-end pipeline, how to create it and all. You can use the same template to convert this project as an end-to-end pipeline. With that, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.